Hello everyone. You are watching a video about trucks, but this is not an ordinary video. This is a story about failed trucks. Failures full of bitterness and regret. Situations where trucks become victims of ignorance, lack of experience, or simply unfortunate accidents. Let's explore the emotional stories of failed trucks in this video. Let's get it on. The skilled driver drives the truck like James Bond crossing a swift-flowing river. The concrete mixer truck seemed to be a disaster, but luckily the driver escaped in a split second. When the crane lifted the truck onto the road, it looked like a superhero. This driver has the reflexes of a farmer when the truck skids and hits him.
Он снял. Дебил, а.
This truck driver miraculously unloads hundreds of wooden planks, but perhaps shock absorbers need to be installed before transporting again. When the container truck loses its brakes and crashes into a row of cars, everyone feels like they are witnessing an attack by a monster. The second truck and excavator cross the mysterious river in suspense.
Sí, ya dobla hacia arriba. Ese lugar está hondo. Qué miedo, Dios mío. Que le empuje, que le empuje. Ay, no, qué valiente.
The images of trucks crossing the river wonderfully make all viewers gasp in amazement. The truck successfully pulls the excavator out of the pit, but it definitely needs to change the tire after completing this job. The performance of two small trucks pulling a big truck out of trouble is great, but this is definitely not a tug-of-war game. Five 43 They saw many trucks crossing this river, but it must be said that they were very brave to try it once, and they succeeded.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
The driver's friends and the truck drivers were helping each other avoid falling into a deep ravine. It seems like they were doing morning exercises. But that's why I always check the tire pressure before driving my truck on nail-studded roads.
大货车真是。
The driver may have wanted to switch careers and become a bumper car driver, but not everyone likes this game on the street. The car is really a special car, not only crossing the rushing river once, but also doing it many times.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
There is another reason why the truck came alive on the road. The driver gave it a special dose, a large dose of patience and determination. Nine 26 Just because of a swerve, the driver gave the concrete truck a funny and scary performance.
直接就从旁边超过。从涂装和车型看的话，他们应该是同一个老板的，货物重量应该也是差不多的，但是动力似乎有明显的差别。这是发生了什么？刚开始还是黑人的突然。
This truck is probably trying to prove that it is not only beautiful but also can overcome any terrain, including muddy soil.
Nossa, gordo. Nossa, bicho.
The special thing about the most multi-wheeled trailer of the year is not the number of wheels but the things it is dragging along the way.
Hey, somebody call the ambulance! Somebody call the ambulance! Somebody need to call the ambulance!
If you want to experience an extraordinary feeling on an iron bridge, drive this truck. But I would advise you not to do so if you don't want to end up like a broken truck.
哎呦喂，还这么冷啊！多巴来了，别多了，差不多人了。啊，出来了，出来了，肯定往后倒，往后倒。啊，出来了，出来了。
At the end of the tough journey of the truck, we have learned a valuable lesson about caution and moderation in controlling traffic. A small mistake can lead to serious consequences. Hopefully, the images in this video will contribute to raising our awareness and patience when participating in traffic on the road. Please like and comment to let us know your driving failures. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.